Okay. So okay, basically we split into three parts. What's a USB switch applications? There was a difference between the USB switch for everything. Okay. So we can see okay. Okay, this explain the USB bus, but I think everybody know so we don't go through that. It's basically a peripherals for everything. Okay, to plug to the computer. So the switch can USB switch device itself can access whatever device USB device to the PC. You got USB port. So this is the USB cable. Okay, then I don't go further now. So okay, what the USB device means is that the USB switch is that you can share wait maybe I got one more file. One. Oh, come on. Hang. Maybe I share this one. Okay. So basically the switch. Now normal USB hub you cannot connect a USB. I mean cannot share with two computers. Okay, usually a hub you connect to one computer, one hub to one computer. But for USB switch, you can connect to two computers to share the device. Maybe this device, like for this one, this one maybe bigger. Okay, maybe you have one keyboard, one mouse to control two computers. Then you may have a USB disk or everything that can share. Now, one thing is that you don't have to plug maybe to one monitor. You don't have to plug and plug. This is the purpose of the USB switch. Okay. Let's check. So this diagram explains that there are two. You notice here there's a switch. So you press here, you can switch either PC1 or PC2. Then your output, your input is your connect to your computer, maybe your notebook, your USB, and a computer here. So you got three output. Okay, your output may be a USB device like a switch like that. Like a hard disk, USB hard disk, thumb drive, everything. So when you switch the time, you can switch the device. For example, here you output 3, you connect one USB. Then when you push a switch here, this first PC can switch to another PC. You no need to plug and plug. Something like that. Okay. I hope we understand. Now, this is what it means. Okay. So this one actually was telling us that you can use on various Windows 10, Windows 8, this device, Okay, maybe most of them able to support Windows 10. So Linux also can. Okay. So okay. So this one, maybe this one, okay. This device actually, it said come with 2 pack of 3.0 USB cable. No need to buy cable for separate PC buys. I think it's not important. But okay, this picture actually show that you got one mouse, one keyboard, and can connect two thumb drive. Okay, so having a switch one or switch two, you notice this one is actually an indicating light. So you press the switch that time, you will from one to two, then you can, then you know which PC having the device. Oh, it's like how I say KVM that oh, two PC lah. Oh, but now is say maybe two notebook. Okay, so this is a purpose of a switch. Okay, see got any more thing? Okay, it's nothing much. I take this from the device catalog. Okay, you notice there's a switch here. Just press, you switch from one to press toggle one more time, you go to two to one. So you, if this one is like, if you press one is selected up, then the whole all the data, all the resources go to the input one, or maybe one PC one, and this one PC two. If you press one more time, then you switch again. Okay. Now, what is this advantage? You notice that normally when you want to share data, not through wireless, wireless maybe other thing can, or other network, you can do it, but this not this directly uh, connected to your device. Okay, physically wired. Okay, all your output will go to either this one or this one. Okay, okay, this DC 5 volt is for the supply to power up the USB switch 3.0, USB switch, this box. Okay, 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 what are this one? Okay, this is the last one. This, so okay, so this one is actually, this one show us the picture that tell us that okay, you can connect a printer, keyboard, whatever thing, you can share this thing to this device, something like KVM. But if all this is USB, you can do that between this one instead of a device called KVM switch like that. Okay, KVM is only these two, right? And this one, I don't know how. Correct. So for this one, you can connect everything. You can share the disk between these two PC. Okay, and printer also can. Oh, KVM don't know got printer. I think KVM no printer also cannot share. Maybe these two share with these two only, or with the KVM switch. Correct, if I'm not wrong. Okay. Okay, basically, okay, okay, let's go back to, I open how many? Wait, open three screen. Okay, basically this USB switch all about. Okay, so so roughly we know between what's okay. So we know application and and what's the difference between USB hub and USB switch. I think just now we talked about it already. So the hub is just one computer connect to a lot of devices. Okay, switch you may just now that one is a two port one, two input for two output one input. So so you can connect to two PC to a few devices, then you can switch. Okay, this USB hub is just one notebook, maybe one PC connect to all the printer or everything. Okay, this we talk about hardwire. Okay, so this we already talked about the application and the difference already. Okay, any more thing? Okay, so come back to the thing. So so basically the switch provide one might require USB port to a PC. Hub serve this purpose. Okay, but a PC will the switch will have you can connect two notebook to all the device. Okay, so so I hope this just a short note, just a product introduction for everything. You can use this one, okay, to share. Okay, this one actually to share between two notebook. Okay, you just download one, then instead of unplug, then you connect to another one. Just you switch over to another notebook. You can share the image to the notebook, something like that. Okay, this explain you need not to power up the network or everything or move. Okay, just switch only. That's all. Okay. Uh, this explain how it works. Okay. Okay. Maybe I show you this picture. Okay. Now there's a KVM, right? KVM. Okay. KVM means you connect a keyboard and what? Keyboard and a mouse. Then you share the device. Correct? If I'm not wrong. So just now is this switch. Then there's another one is the USB switch. I never used this before, but if I'm not wrong, okay, this one when you press, then you activate the device or the thing. Okay, much like a USB with a switch. So this is another kind of USB switch. So this one and explain to this one, don't mix together, don't mix up. Okay. So when you buy a USB switch, you ask you need to know whether which one you want to buy. Okay, you want to buy a selected port one or what? Oh, okay, this is KBM one. Got so you got KBM type one. Okay, this is a splitter, USB splitter. It's split to two. I don't know how it works. Oh. Okay, these are some of the picture that I take from the internet now. Okay. So that's all I have. Anything? Wait lah. The other slide is the wait, the other slide. The other slide I make it down. Okay.
This all the information I taken from these three websites, the IO gear USB switch and the USB net. Can I don't know can click go to them. No. Go here. No, I cannot. I don't know why. Control click. Then I copy. Then I don't think I can go in. Okay. Yeah. So just now one is taken. The information is taken from here. So it's running. Sorry. So connector, everything, blah blah blah. Okay. All this I cut and paste. Okay. Download images. So all this, all the information that I present is actually come from this website. Okay. It'll come like that. Switch product. Okay, so there are few type. So it's four, there's 4 times 4, 2 times 4. Just now I presented one is 2 times 4. Okay, 2 times 4. Mine is 3.0. So this is 2.0. It's this one now. But I didn't take from IO Gear lah. I take from another China product. Okay, which is cheaper lah. This one more expensive. See this one how much? Don't know about. Don't have. Spec package. Sure. Oh, $79. Around $80, but I bought only my one bought from China is only $25. 20, I think it's $25. So you can get the made in China type. Oh, so it still work. Okay. Very slow. So sorry. In my notebook. Okay. Loading. Okay. This one also explain what's a USB switch. There are a few type. Okay, some of them developed for two PC share one device. Printer. So what's the difference?
USB hub opposite of USB switch. With a hub, a single hub able to access use a hub for a single computer to access multiple devices without having plug to unplug. Okay. Okay, switch is the other type. I think it's in front already. Share a number among computer. Okay. For our case, I presented is 2 computer share a few devices without the need of the networking. Okay. This website also explain explain clearly. Okay. That's all I have. So any query?